In this video I have sin x minus sin x times cosine squared x equals to sine to the power of 3x. So what I can do, I can write sin x here, and then I have sin x here. Instead of cosine squared, I will write 1 minus sin squared x. Then I factor sin x, I will have 1 minus sin squared x. So it will be sin x times 1 minus 1 plus sin squared x. These two cancel out, so I will have sin x times sin squared x. So sin x times sin squared x will be sin cube x. So that's what you see here. So I just factored there. I started from the left hand side, I factored sin x, and then I simplify it and make it like sin cube x.